Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a very teeny tiny haul from Amazon and my monthly subscription from sLo Planning. So the first thing I have to show you is this candle lighter. Comes with your USB charger and it's the little mini charger. But once it's all charged up, it shows you with the little lights. Mine almost, it's down one. And then it just turns on like this. You can see that. Greg has, don't ask me why, but he had to touch it. But it's a candle lighter and it's USB, you just recharge it. But I had one and it just suddenly stopped working. It was just not a very good quality of one. So I got a better quality one and I'll link it down below in the comments. These are excellent for lighting your candles and such. And then I like a really good um, nail file that has a lot of grit. And so this is 100 on one side and 180 on the other side, and it's washable, whatever that means. So I guess you can rinse it off and then kind of reactivates it. So I got the smallest package they had, and it was $6.99. So I will link it down below in the comments or in the description, and in case you're interested. But these are wonderful nail files. I like to throw one in my purse, keep one at my desk, keep one next to my recliner. So I will link those down below in the description. And then my monthly March foil subscription from sLo Planning. We always get a cute washi sample. So there is that. And then we always get our sLo freebie. And this time it is purple foil. I took my little bow off and put it on my card so that I can collect, I think it's 6 bows, and then you get $10 off. We also got a freebie from the Scrappy Fox, all about gardening. We got a purple weekend banner. Got some really cute flower boxes. And then some purple icons. You get the Instagram, mealtime, trash, an asterisk, a credit card, and the washer. And then we got bill due. Then we always get a couple of the days of the week. So super cute. And lastly, we got a sheet of scripts. Usually goes with whatever holidays are coming out. So we have Happy Easter, April Fool's Day, Earth Day. So that is my subscription. You probably see my little toilet paper rolls. I'm going to attempt to make a toilet paper flip book. So I will show you that when I get it all finished. But I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.